Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I know it's been a while. So what happened is I have moved my all this makeup table and arrangement in my master bedroom. Previously it was in the second bedroom where I used to film, but we had a lot of guests over this summer, so I had to clear that room and I'm lazy again to move back. But anyways, I'm here and today we're gonna do once again a Indian traditional makeup look. I have one event to attend today, so I'm gonna do a smoky blue eyes because I have a navy blue color or dark blue color outfit. So without wasting any time, let's just begin. So I'm gonna start with this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This is very important step in the summer because this primer is also hydrating, so it's gonna keep your face cold. So I'm gonna use this primer from Cover FX. So I'm gonna do color correction. I'm using this Kevyn Aucoin color enhancer in shade SX11. So I'm just gonna apply all over the places where I think I need color correction, such as for my dark circles, hyperpigmentation around my mouth, and if you have any scarring due to pimples, such as this points here. So today I'm gonna use this Dior Face and Body Foundation in the shade 4WO, that's 4 Warm Olive. This is really good foundation for daily use. It's very liquidy and I really liked it. So I have taken product on my hand. I'm just gonna dot my face. So I have used Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand, which is exactly similar to my skin tone. And this is another shade from Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the color Medium. And this I'm gonna use just for highlighting. So I wanna highlight my under eye area, bridge of my nose, and forehead. Alright, then I'm gonna blend it all using Beauty Blender. I'm gonna use this stick from Iconic London to do my contouring. So this is in the shade 4.3. So I'm gonna blend it all. So today I'm gonna do baking, and for baking I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty's baking powder, and this looks like this. This is in the shade Blondie. And for rest of my face, I'm gonna use this Cover FX powder. This looks like this. I have almost hit the pan. So for Indian makeup, I always think eyebrows plays very important part. That's why I'm gonna use this ABH Cosmetics Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. So first I'm gonna just brush my eyebrows. I'm gonna use this blue color and some of the warm shades for the outer part of my eyes, and I'm gonna try to smoke it out using this dark brown color. So I've never tried this look, so I always like to apply as a base for my eyeshadow. I'm gonna take a little bit warmer shade and put it in my crease. So I'm gonna just wet my brush using this Smashbox Photo Finish primer, and I'm gonna take that blue color so just in my outer V right here. And gonna blend all out so that there is no harsh line between this blue color and the dark brown shade. Eyeliners, I'm gonna use these two eyeliner. This is from Kat Von D. This is Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner, and this is Smashbox Always On liquid eyeliner. So generally I use this to fill in my eyeliner, and this I use to outline my eyeliner, because the tip that Kat Von D tattoo eyeliner has is very pointy and is very precise, and this one is very dark. So I'm gonna use this to just fill in and this to outline. I just realized my dress actually has a little bit of silver lining over the blue. So I'm gonna take this eyeshadow palette from, I don't know how to pronounce this, where and I'm gonna take this shade, the silver shade, and I'm just gonna put that inner corner of my eyes. So I'm gonna take this pointy brush and gonna take that silver shade. So I'm gonna use this bronzer from Estee Lauder. This is Bronze Goddess. This has a little bit shimmer in it, so I want to be very careful while I apply this. So what you have to do is take the product on your brush, just tap the brush so that all those chunks gonna fall down and they will not come on your face. I'm gonna do a little bit decontouring for my contour lines. So what I do is I take the powder on the pointy brush and I just apply beneath that bronzy line. So I'm gonna set everything using this all-nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. I'm gonna go back, do my hair, and be right back, and we're gonna finish this tutorial with final step. That's my favorite step, that's lipstick. So be right back. So I wanted to show you guys my dress. So this is my dress. This is like a one-piece gown with a little bit of silver and golden embroidery. So I'm ready, my hair is also done, and today I'm gonna use this Lolita 2 liquid lipstick from Kat Von D. So this is my complete look, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial, and sorry once again for taking so much time to be back on YouTube. I hope you really liked this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more of such tutorials, and I'll see you guys in my next video.